Hello, in this video I want to show you how to enable battery percent for your Steam Deck. So to do this you'll need to click on Steam right here. Now go down and find settings, but these are locked because I'm in the family view, so let's click here and leave the family view. Now we can click on the Steam again, and here we can see the settings. So navigate to them, hit A. Now in the general you can enable battery percentage, and as you can see now we can actually see the battery percent. If we disable it, it's not here anymore. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.